So, hello, how are you?
Hi, ma'am. I'm fine. What about you?
I'm also fit and fine. And just introduce yourself because we are meeting very first time.
Yeah, definitely, ma'am. Why not? Yeah. So, as you know, ma'am, my name is Raju Kumar. I am from Bihar and district in Sitamarhi. And if I talk about my qualification, I have done my junior qualification from my hometown. Now I am pursuing engineering from South India. And if I talk about my hobby are dancing and playing chess and talk to some new people. And if I talk about my aim and goal, I want to become engineer. And also my long-term goal, I want to become an entrepreneur in my long time goal. That's all.
Okay, that's great.
Yeah.
It's a wonderful introduction. And shall I introduce myself?
Yeah, yeah. You should also introduce you. Then after that, I will know you.
Okay, so as you know, my name is Sapna, and I'm private school teacher as well as homemaker, and also I'm blessed with a son, and I run my own YouTube channel by the name Sapna Raghuvanshi, and I hope you go through my channel. So, just tell me something about your journey. Means when you start your journey, and what is the thing that inspire you to learn English communication? As we all know very well that nowadays we can't ask this question to anyone because we know very well English language is just it has become an international language. So whenever we want to go somewhere and try to talk with anyone with like a different city people, different state people, different country people, so in that case we will have to carry this English communication skill. But tell me about your journey. Means
Actually, if I say my journey, I was a fully Hindi medium student up to 12th class. After that, I entered in my college. I came my there. I have to speaking English, and there is no one know Hindi. The question is to know English. Why you should left this college? So I one option. Yeah, otherwise we can stay there. Yeah, I can go outside. I can go in my hometown again. So this is because I did hard work, and then after that I joined this college. So my friend, so I stay with that time 4 members, but two friends he left the college because he didn't understand anything in English. Here, warden also is speaking their English, and class teacher and friend also they are speaking English. They don't know Hindi. Why? You don't have option to speak Hindi. Some he left, but I thought it's life learn. Why not learn? Why not to learn this language? And after that, first time I'm only listening and learning. But there, that time I'm not able to speak in English. Only listen and sometimes speak little bit sentence, a small two words and one sentence like this. In class, so ma'am said, Raju, one story I will tell you. Raju, go and take my bag. Take my bag. Everything I understand, but I don't understand in take. Take means. Then I again ask ma'am, what you said. I didn't understand. I don't understand, ma'am. I understand. I understood, ma'am. Understood. Again, went there, Kevin. Again, I'm thinking big, but take. Again, I went to Kevin. Ma'am, come with me. I said, go and take my bag. Like he said, hi, hand, go and take my bag. Oh, you means you are saying, love mera bag. Eh, no,
yes, so it's quite amazing, quite
that,
interesting.
that it's a very that time ma'am said nowadays I talk ma'am with ma'am nowadays Raju, did you understand? Do you understand? In first day, in first years, you didn't understand anything, but this is my journey. And if I say why I'm learning, because there is no option to speak Hindi.
I can see your struggle. Okay, maybe there's network issue.
Yeah.
So,
But I,
uh,
one thing also I tell you, one day, ma'am, many times, ma'am said, come and stay and give you introduction. That time, I have very few sentence I'm able to speak that time. But ma'am again say, you Raju, now you again you not improve yourself. Still, you are staying the same place, same things you are doing. You should improve. Now you are the graduate, you are becoming a graduate person. So you should improve yourself because after the college, no one teach you, no one help you. That's why then after that I focus more things more compared to that day and nowadays I'm focusing more. Now ma'am said go and give introduction easily to introduce myself and if I talk about my class, there room 60 students there, but they speak English. They speak very no English, but said go and give your introduction on the stage. They are that time nervous. They stuck the voice. I don't know why. Me too also in first time, but now I'm habitual to. I'm used to these things.
So that is a great thing, and I'm very glad to hear about your like a story because it's quite interesting and amazing. And yes, as
If
earlier you are not able to speak a single word or introduce yourself, and nowadays you are speaking confidently with a stranger and effortlessly. So it means you did a lot. You must have done
uh,
like of work for it. So Raju,
I don't know.
just
Yeah,
tell me one thing. As you this time you are using this Skype, okay? So how long have you been using this app?
actually, is 4 months. I have been learning using this app 4 months. For 4 months.
So now just tell me your experience about it. As you are using it for 4 months, so what is your experience about it? Is it
It's
helping you?
actually last month I didn't practice anything. Actually, my health is not good. My hand is fractured because I was playing football that time. My hand will fracture was fractured. That last month I didn't practice even one. Did you see one? You will see one video there. I practiced Mr. Jaddu. That time my hand is bandaged, and that time also I talked with him. Yeah, you can if you see if you
Oh.
yeah. So it's good for me also in the future also. We talk also Zoom session also I talk so many students.
So nowadays, I think you have achieved a good fluency in English, and just because of your hard work. So tell me, how is your feeling nowadays?
Yeah, it's feeling good, but not like that. I think I want to change my next level. Like I'm here. I want to see is next level.
That is the great thing. Means we should never try to satisfied with our work. And I also prefer these things like we should always try to feel unsatisfied with our work. And if
Yeah.
we start feeling satisfied with our work, so definitely we will not focus more and more on these things. And if we feel unsatisfied, so definitely we will try to point out mistake and we will try to like improve and our mistake and learn more and more. So that is the great thing that despite of having this fluency, but still you are not satisfied. It means you want to be more fluent. That is
Uh,
the great
if
thing.
you see there, na, actually, if you see there in college, everyone is speaking fluency. Like they you can oh my god, I want to become like that people. You can because there is heavy environment. Do you know sometimes I speak some wrong sentence and they laugh at
We should try to have a competition in ourselves. Like, yes, I have to be like that person. I have to be fluent in English just like that person. So in good way, in positive way. So this is the great thing. If you have this type of competition in yourself, so definitely it will push you always to keep moving forward. That is the
so you are doing practice every day or someday.
no, actually, as I said, I'm teacher, so like I'm very busy in my life because I have to juggle all household and also my job and also my kid. So whatever time I get, I try to utilize my time.
So you are doing government job or private job?
No private
Private. And you are teaching institute. Which subject?
English.
Oh my
That's
god.
as I said, English is my favorite subject from always. And as you said that you have done your schooling in means from Hindi medium up to
Yeah,
10th standard.
12th
Yes,
standard.
and I have done all my schooling, college, means all things in Hindi medium only. But yes, from always English was my main subject, just because of my interest and passion. Because from always I was very interested in English, and I never wanted to skip English anyhow. And I have also taken English as a main subject in my teaching degree, like B.Ed. And I also am teaching in my school English, only English. It's my particular subject. And that's why I nowadays means when I decide realized this fact, like if you really want to sound confident in this world, so you have to know English language. Because only having immense knowledge is not sufficient
Yeah.
to become smart, to be smart. If you really want to be smart, sound smart, confident, so you have to know English language. And if you don't know English language, so people before you, in front of you, always try to take you for granted. They
Yeah.
never judge you for
You
your
know what?
knowledge. They never, and they always judge you on the basis of your spoken only. When I realized this fact, so I decided to work on my spoken skill. And nowadays I'm learning this, and I'm here.
Yeah, you improve your, definitely you are improve your more than previous. Now I saw you. So
Yes.
one thing, if you know English and learning different, speaking English, I some people saw you like a different. You are the amazing person. You know everything. Like people say you are a different person in college. Whenever I went my home, sometimes I went to my college and in junior college. There at that time meet my teacher. He said, "Raj, change, Raj, you change."
Yes, this is the reality.
Yeah,
That's why I was telling.
this is the fact.
We
Okay,
will
okay,
get connected next day, whenever you want. Okay.
okay,
So it's
okay. Definitely, I will send you message.
nice to
Yeah,
talk to you. Bye bye, take
yeah.
care.